Ave Coders. So this is what we're going to create.
Hi, I'm Alice, and I don't really exist. Yes, it's true. I was created by artificial intelligence, and you too can create one like me.
I'll show you how you can do it for free and with no programming experience. But first, can I ask you to give this video Emperor's thumbs up, toll the bell, subscribe to the channel. Let's go. Welcome to Midjourney. This is where we're going to create the static avatar, which will later animate and vocalize. If you don't know what Midjourney is and how to use it, I've left a link in the description on the fantastic documentation for Midjourney, which you can operate and follow the instructions from there. But long story short, Midjourney is available via Discord, the app which you can download or use it in browser. Once again, there will be a link in the description. You can follow and start using this powerful AI instrument. First, you need to click on one of the newcomer rooms. Here it is newbies 45 and newbies 50. You can click on one of them and start generating your prompts. You can also inspect what other people have been doing and what results did they get. Or you can also outsource the prompt generation to, say, ChatGPT. Just try to explain what you want, and ChatGPT will pretty much put everything in order to get the best results. You would have to start your prompt with /imagine, and then you provide your prompt. This is what ChatGPT has generated for me. Then you just press enter and you wait for Midjourney to generate the response. Bear in mind that this is a live thread, meaning that other people are using this chat as well, and you might need to scroll up to allocate your prompt. After a few moments, you'll see the blurred pictures. This is something the Midjourney will begin with, then it will iteratively go through each one of them and improve the quality. So please don't fret if this doesn't look like you've been expecting. You should just give it some time and the results will improve, I promise you. So I can see now it is pretty much finalized, but it's not the top quality. So what we can do, we can choose one of the pictures, let's say the top left, and below you can see a few UI buttons, U and then the number, and V and then the number. So numbers represent the pictures, and this basically means that we can choose either a picture to upscale or a picture to base our new version of a picture on, or we can refresh everything all together. This will make it to regenerate the pictures based on our prompt, but bear in mind that this will be a separate prompt, so it will be somewhere down the thread. And also please bear in mind that currently Midjourney stands at 25 prompts for free, and then you have to pay.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so I've pressed U1 to upscale the top left image, and this is what I've got. Pretty good considering that Midjourney has created this image from the thin air, so meaning that this person doesn't exist. Now it's time to give her the voice, and we are heading to the Alvin Labs. This service allows you to supply your text prompt. Again, this could be done via the ChatGPT, and also it allows you to vocalize it with different voices. Again, there is a free tier which is more than enough for this experiment, and on top of that it allows you to clone someone's voice. In the settings section you can choose your character with its unique voice. I'll be using a character called Bella, and down below there are a few more parameters to tweak, such as stability and clarity of the voice. Then in the text field, I'm going to paste the text generated for me by ChatGPT, and I'll press the magic button. Once you'll press the generate button, the live demo will start where you can hear your text being vocalized by this character.
Hi, I'm Alice, and I don't really exist.
And when it's finished, you're more than welcome to download it by pressing the tiny icon in the bottom right corner. So by now we have the character, we have the voice. Let's move on to the next step and animate our character. For this purpose, I will be using the service called DID Studio. Once again, it has a free tier and then you have paid tiers as well. Once you'll press on the Create Video tab, you will be presented with a variety of different avatars. and this is where you can upload your own avatar as well. They also have a feature to vocalize your avatar from the studio itself, but I found Alvin Labs providing a better quality of the voice. After clicking the add button, you'll be brought to the registration screen where you'll have to register with the service. Bear in mind that they will be sending you a lot of marketing, and I bet this is a price for the service being free for now. Here we need to choose the picture of that lady we've generated with Midjourney, and on the right hand side we need to press on the upload voice audio tab and upload the file we've downloaded from the Alvin Labs. When it's all done, press the generate a video button in the top right corner. You will be prompted once again whether you want to generate the video, but don't be afraid, they're not going to cut your video, they're going to just add some watermark. After some time they'll notify you that your video is ready, so head to the video library. As you can see, I've already had a few attempts, and this is where you can press on your video and enjoy.
Hi, I'm Alice, and I don't really exist.
You can still spot some jitters and glitters, and generally you can see that this is not a real person, but I'm pretty sure that in a few years they will surprise us. So here you go. Don't forget to download your avatar and please use it wisely. That was pretty cool, eh? If you're into the AI, I'll bet you like this video, so make sure you will check it out. That was V, and I'll see you in a bite.